Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2007 Honda Ridgeline 3.5 liter VTEC spark plug replacement, 3 in the back, 3 in the front. Got these screws here, right? 3 in the front. They screw in these little tabs. Just give them a half a turn and they come out. Couple little pokies, friction fits back there for the back side, right there. Turn them a half a turn, quarter turn, and they'll come out, and we can get to the coils. 3 in the front here, 3 in the back. Push the tab right there to release it in theory. Do the same for all of them. So we got a ratchet in our socket, broke it loose, and we're looking at a 6 millimeter Allen for this. So all the bolts will be 6 millimeter Allens. I'm sure there's a way around this fan, so we don't have to take the fan out to do those. Pushing on the fan enough collapses it so you can get it out. Kind of maybe you want to, if you have any misfires, you may look for any black spots on the side that can be spark jumping out of the coil. We'll get our spark plug socket and wrench and take out the spark plug. Everything is left to loosen, right to tighten. Good long, deep spark plug socket, 5/8. Can certainly use a short one. It's a swivel one with an extension. We'll do the same thing, of course. Spark plug socket has a rubber boot in it. Usually helps hold the spark plug on so you can pull it out. Maybe this is worn out. Ugh. Oh, there it is. Spark plug out. Got a new spark plug. You can check the gap. 0.039 to 0.043 is the spec. Several different types of gappers. Let's use this one here. Looks about 40 on there, so we're good. Just make sure all the other plugs are close to that. They should be good out of the box like that. If the gap is too wide, you can tap it on a hard surface and bend it down. This gapper has a little wing here. You can pry it open more if you need to. So, like that. Torque spec is 13 foot-pounds. Box also has directions on it. If it has a gasket, it's a 1/2 to 2/3 of a turn. If it does not have a gasket, it looks like it's a 1/16 of a turn. These have gaskets. That's basically hit the bottom, I believe, so That's probably a half, 2/3, pretty good. Let's check it, see how close we are to 13. Yep. If you're going to do work on your car regularly, maybe get some dielectric grease. It's good to put in here, in the boot. A little bit in there. Just helps the spark plug to keep from sticking, and seals out water. And we'll bolt it in probably 89 inch-pounds or something like that for that bolt. So pretty easy for the front, of course. The back's just a little trickier because it's in the back, but I think you just reach in there with your hands. And maybe use an extension, but otherwise it's exactly the same procedure. Nothing tricky about it. Just maybe have to use like I said, a longer extension to do it. But that would be replacing your spark plugs on your Honda Ridgeline 3.5 liter. Unlocked, locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked, locked. Honda Ridgeline.